Hi, and welcome to the club. Fall is here. This is not a drill, and we're so excited we're making up our own words. Happy Fallidays is the perfect design to welcome October and all that we love about the fall season. Your Club Couture shipment this month comes with everything you see here: the bee-sized Fallidays Transfer and 3 paste singles: orange peel, candy apple, and almond. I've gathered some other tools for the project, my work mat, and the surface I've chosen is the 10x10 Couture Boutique board, some small dishes for paste, a small and a mini squeegee, my transfer trimmers, a fuzzing cloth, and a water bath and paper towels for cleaning up. With 3 pretty fall colors to choose from in this palette, there are lots of options, but I think I'm going to try a marbling technique with just 2 colors, orange and almond. First, I'll prep my transfer by removing it from the backer. Then I'll press it onto my fuzzing cloth to pick up a bit of lint, which just kind of eases the adhesive, especially on a new transfer. I'll get it centered on the board, then smooth it out and make sure there are no wrinkles. I'll prep the almond paste by kneading the packet to make sure it's mixed well, then snip the corner and squeeze some out. I'm using my mini squeegee so I can be really fussy with my paste application since I only want to catch the cap portion of the acorn. Once I've got the screen covered, I'll just peel the transfer back past the cap and let it dry for a second, and that will prevent the paste from drying on the screen and pulling up with it. And that gives me more time to work with the rest of the design. Then I'll lay it back down and prep my orange peel paste. I'm kneading it again and snipping the corner and squeezing some out. Now, to try the marble technique, I'll start with almond, and I'm just going to dab it on in lines along the acorn, and then I'll come back in with my small squeegee and the orange paste and fill in the gaps. Once I know I have enough paste on the screen, then I'll start smoothing the paste, and I'm kind of wiggling my squeegee as I pull it to keep it feeling more organic and less striped, and then scrape off the excess after each swipe, which will keep the colors from totally blending and really give you that marbled look. It's time for the best part, peeling the transfer. I love this technique. It is a fun way to change up your designs and add some interest. And there it is, so quick, so cute, and it will be custom every single time. A design this cute makes saying goodbye to summer and hello to colder weather a little less painful. So bring on the sweater weather and fall for October's Club Couture.